Alright, I want to show you what I came out from work. Getting ready to go home on Friday evening. Saw that my front tire had 6 pounds of air left in it. And this is what I find sticking out of my tire. There's the culprit. I'm not sure what it is or where I got it. I just went ahead and inflated the tire, left it in the tire so I can get home and plug it. So today, I'm going to show you how to plug a tire. It's really quick if you have the right stuff, and it doesn't cost that much. Save you a lot of money. Right here's all the tools you need. These are the plugs. Got 2 reamers. I only need one of them. One of them appears to be just a hair smaller than the other one, so I'll use the smaller one first. And then this is the hook that you put the plug through the eyelet just like you're threading a needle, and then you punch it into the tire, and when you pull it out, the plug stays in and seals it. That's it. Let's get started. It's going to require a pair of pliers or needle nose to get the nail, screw, whatever out. First you want to just remove it. I don't know if you can hear the air coming out, but it's definitely the culprit. Wow. How did that end up in my tire? No idea where it even came from. So you take the reamer, you got to work it in there to get the hole clean through. Oh man, just kind of work it back and forth, in and out. It cleans off the rubber so that the plug can seal. Leave the reamer in while you thread the needle with the plug. Better yet, you can do this before you start to pull the just kind of thread it in there and keep mashing it in there until it comes through, like so. Grab the other end. Pull it through till it's halfway. What we're going to do is jam it in the tire, twist, and pull this out. First, I'm going to use the other reamer. I'm going to go ahead and ream that tire some more. There it is. It can be a little tough getting in there. Don't worry about this excess. It'll wear off driving on the road. All I gotta do is put, whew, that was a little tough. All I gotta do is make sure I fill it up to proper pressure, tire pressure. Good to go. This kit probably cost me 10 bucks. I don't know how much it'll cost you to take it to a service station and get them to plug it. I would imagine at least $25, not to mention your time. I had this at home already. I drove straight home from work and I plugged it. One thing I want to show you is I was able to get the plug so it was facing out, and then I just turned my wheel far to the inside, and I didn't even have to jack the car up or take the tire off. But that's it. You can see I lost quite a bit of air in it after I reamed the hole, but it's good to go. I just need to fill it up. It's brand new. Hope you enjoyed.